Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. Web-based the graphic design tools getting popular on these days, especially with AI. So today I'm discussing about one of the tool like Microsoft Designer. This is the Microsoft Designer helps to create professional quality social media posts or graphic design elements without spend too much time into it. So we can go through. To access Designer, visit designer.microsoft.com. You can see a website something like this. This is a tool with AI, so you can create Instagram posts or any flyers for your digital marketing or any digital creation. So it's one of the best tool these days. So you can see a free sign up link there in top corner. So you can sign up with a Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create or you can log in with your own Microsoft account. After login, it will load a dashboard something like this. So it's very easy and simple to easy to understand tool. So you can create, you can describe the design you would like to create. So you can type your requirement here. So in the AI tools is always a prompt instead of like search engines. Mostly we use search keywords. This is something like a prompt. You can prompt this tool for you the outputs. So here, and you can type something like that on Instagram post for a resort marketing or something like this. So it will create different design ideas, designs by the Microsoft Designer. So you can see here some different type of design elements created by the tool itself. It's very beautiful. The advantage is like that we can generate images. Here we can see the AI given an option something like that. Create an Instagram post for a resort marketing. Use an image of beautiful beach or pool with a relaxed vibe. So it's giving idea to explore more into the tools. So generate image is another option. We can create. So it creates some ideas in a some of couple in a beach resorts or something like that. So it creates AI that's very easy to uh, and it's a beautiful tool to create images. So we can use the images. That's very beautiful with the designs. So AI makes the life easy for the designers here. So when you click generate, it's added to the design. So you can select any designs here, and you can customize the designs. So it's very easy to understand tool. There are lots like you can change the visuals, you can generate new ideas. Also in the top corner you can download the file and you can use in different ways. So I hope this designer Microsoft tool help you to explore more into your creative ideas and business. Thanks for watching videos.